How to import reviews from AliExpress to Shopify using Judge Me. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first, you will need to just go to Judge Me from the Shopify App Store and obviously click on Install and go through the installation process. Installing Judge Me is very simple. You basically just wanted to first enable the app embed. It's going to, by the way, prompt you to do all of these things so you don't have to guess where to go. Click on save once you toggle this on and move on to the next step. The next step would be to actually install the widgets. So it's just going to do it for you once you click on it, and you simply just want to save, click on save, and again just move on to the next step. Like I said, with the widgets you simply just want to click on save, but for me personally, with the star rating, I prefer to keep it under the price. I feel like it actually looks better that way. So I'm just going to go ahead and move it below the header like so and click on save. Okay, great. So now you have Judge Me. People can start leaving reviews for your products once they actually purchase. But how do we actually import from AliExpress? It's very simple. Once you find yourself with the Judge Me Reviews app, click on the reviews section below this option right here. And you are going to be given the option to import reviews. So simply click on that. And now just go and scroll down until you find the from other platforms option. Click on import from platforms and select AliExpress and click on install. So it's going to take you to the Judge Me Ali reviews import. So you simply just want to click on install and walk through the setup process. It's very simple again. So once it's done installing, you simply just want to scroll down until you find the step 1, which is import to your product. So select any of the products that you want to import to. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this one and click on import. Next step, you simply just want to find an AliExpress product URL. So this is going to be the product that you want to get the reviews from. Simply copy the URL to it and paste it in here. So again, simply just open up the product that you like, copy the link, and go back to your Shopify store. Go ahead and paste in the link right over here and click on import reviews. And that's it. We are done. We are pretty much good to go. We can see here the reviews import log. We can see the progress and how many reviews has been imported. And if we just go back to our online store, view it, and click on this exact same product, which is this one in my case, we're going to be able to find the reviews down here for it with the images and everything. With that being said, hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful, and for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.